Hey guys, welcome back to Walden's World. We will have video coming on this build. This is finished other than chain and sprockets. 2008 crf150rb. This is a whole motor tear down. It's a Wiseco crank, Wiseco piston. It's got the brand new works cylinder, made in America on it. Put a new front impact rim on it. Done a lot of things to this thing. So gonna have to get some new grips. Other than that, pretty nice bike. I didn't buy new tubes or tires for it because tires are still in pretty decent shape. So decided to save a little bit of money on that. It's got the FMF power bomb with a DRD muffler. It's also got the little hour clock thingamajiggin dilly whopper, whatever those are called. Renthal handlebars, hand guards here. So pretty nice stuff. Pretty cool bike. I just put the brand new rim on there and laced it up. It is a Tusk Impact. Quit. Dog fit in my hand. But anyway, look forward to the build. And this is a total motor build, everything all the way up. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching.